So one of the less desirable things about RV maintenance is dealing with the waste tanks, and specifically the black tank, which is connected to the toilet. Sometimes the rubber seals can wear out and fail over time, allowing some pretty foul smells into the RV interior. And that's just what's been happening more and more frequently, causing a lot of complaints with renters. So I decided to go ahead and, just replace the entire toilet. Although there are some kits out there that will allow you to keep the toilet and just replace the parts. But since this toilet has been with the vehicle since the beginning and is now about 13 years old, I just figured I'd go ahead and swap it out. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and swap it out. I'll take you along and you can take a look and see what I did. So let's get started. So first things first, I wanted to make sure all the water was out of the lines before I disconnected them. So I hit the pedal and flushed all the water out of the toilet. Next up, just loosened the cover from the toilet and removed it so that I could get to the bolts to pull it out of the floor. Since the water was all drained out, I disconnected the water line. And before installing the new toilet, I wanted to make sure I had the rubber seal on the bottom installed and ready to go. I then loosened the 2 bolts on either side of the floor mounting bracket. Then just gave it a tug and pulled it out. Took the old toilet out, put it in the box, and then used a mop to kind of clean up around the perimeter of it. Once that was cleaned up, I took the new toilet and placed it right over the bolts that are sticking out of the floor mounts. Once I got it all lined up, took the bolts and tightened those 2 bolts back down on either side. I reconnected the water line and then tested. So that's it. I got the toilet installed, everything's tightened down, and with the new seals in the toilet, it seems like that should take care of any, leaking smells or anything like that coming out. So hopefully you got some value out of the video. If so, consider subscribing and hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, leave those in the comment section below. And I also put a link to the toilet that I used in this video in the description. Thanks for watching. And as always, thanks for supporting the channel. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.